Ever since our beginning, we have marveled at the innovations of nature. Even now, with all our technology, nature has not lost its appeal. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, these inventions serve as a testament to the power of human imagination in shaping a brighter and more promising future for generations to come. In this video, we will delve into the top 10 mind-blowing inventions that are next level. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Number 1. Speedboard. Speedboard is a self-balancing personal transportation device. These devices typically consist of a platform with 2 wheels and are powered by rechargeable batteries. Users stand on the platform and control the speed and direction by shifting their weight. Speedboard became popular in recent years as a convenient and fun mode of short-distance transportation. Speedboard are typically longer and narrower than traditional skateboards, with features optimized for high-speed riding and stability. They may have specialized wheels, trucks, and deck shapes to enhance speed and maneuverability, making them ideal for downhill racing or cruising at high speeds. Number 2. Ultrasonic Kitchen Knife. Immerse yourself in a world of culinary wonder with the world's sharpest knife. Thanks to the ultrasonic knife, even your cooking will be a unique experience. The first ultrasonic kitchen knife, which will change your kitchen. This knife effortlessly tackles harder and sturdier foods thanks to its ultrasonic performance. Another advantage of the ultrasonic knife and its superior cutting properties is the minimal loss of liquids, preserving essential vitamins and nutrients. Ultrasonic technology assists you in cutting fragile and crumbly foods with improved ease. In essence, this knife replaces almost all types of regular kitchen knives. Number 3. Nadia Humanoid Robot. IHMC is working in collaboration with Boardwalk Robotics to develop Nadia, a next-generation humanoid robot designed to have a high power-to-weight ratio and large range of motion through the use of innovative mechanisms and composite materials. Nadia is also being used to develop autonomous and semi-autonomous behaviors to allow the robot to function in urban environments and structures. The Nadia Project is intended to develop highly mobile ground robots that can function in indoor environments where stairs, ladders, and debris would require a robot to have the same range of motion as a human. While this has any number of applications, it can be particularly useful in firefighting, disaster response, and other scenarios that might be dangerous for humans, such as explosive ordnance disposal. Given the right set of capabilities, Nadia will be able to function as a human teammate, providing the capability to extend human presence without placing someone in harm's way. Number 4. Maverick Lite Trike. No matter what type of flying you like to do, sometimes a small change of position offers great new perspectives. With its perfect blend of impressive flight characteristics, high stability on terra firma, and energy-saving seated position, coupled with stunning looks, the Maverick Lite Trike offers incredible performance and durability with compliance that can only be experienced from a premium titanium airframe. With the Maverick Lite Trike, you can enjoy a more relaxed style of paramotoring that's primed to cruise the open skies, take on big adventures, and explore new horizons. Number 5. Widescape WS250. Compact, agile, and ultra-lightweight, the Widescape WS250 is a snowmobile like no other. Always standing instead of sitting, riders enjoy an active, immersive, and totally new winter riding experience. The WS250 is powered by our custom-built 242cc 4-stroke EFI engine with liquid cooling and was designed to be compact, reliable, and fuel-efficient. Coupled with continuously variable transmission, the result is an engine that offers a linear acceleration with strong torque at lower speeds, ideal for navigating through dense forests and riding deep snow. The WS250 will challenge you physically and allow you to discover new and uncharted territories. With its impressive buoyancy and compact design, it's the perfect vehicle to venture off the beaten path in search of fresh snow. Number 6. Dynamic Aerial Aquatic Drone. Meet the Dipper, a dynamic aerial aquatic drone that can fly and swim. It has a max cruising speed of 70 km/h and a range of 5 km. Dipper can also dive from 150 m at 130 km/h. It can swim for 10 minutes at a speed of 9 km/h. Number 7. Panther KF51. The Panther KF51 is the world's most advanced main battle tank. It sets a new standard for the combat effectiveness of mechanized formations, while delivering a high degree of future adaptability. The Panther/KF51 uses a Leopard 2 running gear, power pack, and part of its hull structure. While the Panther KF51 essentially has a crew of 3 commander, gunner, and driver, a 4th station, in the front on the left hand, is reserved for a subsystem operator or a company or battalion commander using the tank as a mobile command post. Number 8. Lunark Project. The Lunark habitat is an example of what happens when the architect steps back and allows the extreme environment on the Moon and the high Arctic to mold a habitat around 2 human beings. Inspired by the patterns seen in a budding leaf as it unfolds, it has created an origami habitat which unfolds from a tight bud to a large ovoid shape with a rigid carbon fiber shell. Its exterior is tough as a tank, while its interior is a cozy home with a sense of Nordic hygge. A black, glossy shell made of carbon fiber makes out the main exterior of the habitat. The carbon fiber structure is sandwich panels with a foam core for extra insulation. Number 9. Omniflow. Omniflow created a smart pole called OmniLED. Powered by wind and solar energy, it captures renewable energies and stores them in batteries. Each pole is equipped with a wind turbine, solar panels, and integrated energy storage that allows multiple applications, all connected to an intelligent platform. The pole delivers various services, from smart lighting to mobility solutions and security or counting with video analysis. OmniLED only uses energy from the public power grid when its batteries are exhausted. As a result, the pole saves more than 90% of energy compared to ordinary lighting and more than 60% compared to standard LED lighting. The experimentation with Omniflow consisted of integrating and testing the 5G connectivity. This connectivity allows the streetlight uses. Number 10. Wingbooard. Olympic windsurfing and thin performance surfboards inspired this design. The Wingbooard is the board designed for maximum progression, early and gradual lift onto the foil, more control and agile flight, super easy touchdowns. This wingboard design is designed to get you up in foiling, aimed at beginner to intermediate foilers wanting to progress their foiling to the next level, with design language borrowed from this windsurf development team. A comprehensive 6-board range allows foilers of all sizes to enjoy the sensation of flight. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay amazed.